Hi dearest viewers, all you are welcome to my YouTube channel, The Honey and Hero of English. The Honey and Hero of English. You have already watched the blackboard, I think, and you have already understood something about the board. Now, I must try to explain one by one. Please follow the board. The several constructions of present perfect tense. In indicative mood, in active voice, as in affirmative sentences. Number one, I have dedicated life to humanity. Number two, I have dedicated life to humanity. Okay? In the case of negative sentences, number one, I have not dedicated life to inhumanity. Number two, I haven't dedicated life to inhumanity. Number three, I have not dedicated life to inhumanity. Number four, I have dedicated life to inhumanity. Double contraction should be avoided in written English, but it may be in informal English or spoken English. Okay. Double construction should be avoided in written English. Okay. But it may be in informal English. Number five, I ain't dedicated life to inhumanity. It is generally spoken in spoken or dialect language. Number six, I do not have dedicated life to inhumanity. It is generally found in newspapers. I don't have dedicated life to inhumanity. Okay? I can explain about this to the best of my knowledge and belief, so far as I know. But you are also requested to check and verify with the authentic books and papers. Okay? I think you understand well. To watch more informative videos like this from me, you are requested to subscribe, share. Okay? Thank you very much.